Hello everyone, this is Dan Justice 77 here. This is just a quick tutorial on how to play music in the background while you're in a party and playing a game, and the people in the party cannot won't be able to hear your music. So let's get into it. What you're going to need is a small USB, like a memory stick, 4 gig, 3 gig, it doesn't really matter. So what you're going to do is go to your memory stick that you plugged in. In my case it's here. And you want to go into it, right click, create a new folder, just like that. Then you want to right click on the folder and rename it to Xbox Library Music. I think I got that wrong. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Xbox Library Music. Okay. And that's pretty much it for that. Now you want to right click into it. Then you want to go to where you have your music stored. In my case it is right here. And you want to just click in the music. Now you can copy and paste into here, or you can just drag. As you can see, I just drag it in there and it copies it into it. Okay, so we're done there. Now you can change the view to large icons so you can see it a bit better. Okay, so we're done on that part. As you can see, the music is in there. Okay. Now I will see you on the Xbox to show you the rest of the steps. Alright, I'll see you then. Okay, so we are back on the Xbox One S. Now what you want to do, guys, is simply just go to your store and find an app. So you go to your store and into browse apps right here. If you click into this, you will find an app called Xbox Background Music. Sorry, I think it's called Xbox Background Music. So yeah, you just gotta basically go through your apps to find it, but I will show you what it looks like. So just give us 1 second. Okay, here we are. Here it is right here, guys. It's a black screen with just a picture of a TV with a USB on it. There is a few out there, but this one I find works a lot better than any other. So once you find the app in the store, you simply just want to click into it. Once you've of course plugged your USB from your PC into your Xbox, and then it will come up with please press Y, so you just want to hit Y. It will scan your USB device. I find it very handy because I like to listen to music while I'm playing Destiny. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Sorry, I will show you one more step. As you can tell, you can... I'll better unpause it first. Yeah, I'll hit the